How do you make sure your surveys speak the language of your audience? Qualaroo makes the whole process a breeze. With Qualaroo, you're no longer limited by language barriers. You can connect with your audience in their own language, gather better feedback, and make decisions that drive real impact. The first step is to create your survey. If you're already using Qualaroo, you probably know this part, but here's a quick refresher just in case. First, log into your Qualaroo dashboard and click Create a Nudge. Pick the survey type you want, say Desktop Web. Give your survey a name, add your questions, and set up branching logic if you want to guide users based on their answers. Once you're happy with how it looks, preview it to make sure everything's good to go. That's it, your survey is ready. Now, let's make it multilingual. First, open the survey that you want to translate. On the Survey Editor panel, click Add Translation. Here, select the language you want to add from the drop-down menu. With 100+ languages supported, the possibilities are endless. Now, choose how to translate. Let Qualaroo AI do it automatically or opt for manual translation to fine-tune cultural nuances, adding a little human touch. Stack up as many variations as you want and make your survey perform well everywhere, globally. Fine-tune your translations right in the editor, easily adjust, rework, or remove specific sections to ensure every detail is spot on. Qualaroo then smartly picks up your visitor's browser language through the site's language tag and serves up the matching survey. No match? No worries, it smoothly switches to the primary language you've set. Once you've gathered responses from your multilingual surveys, you'll see them all here under Reports. You can also export language-specific responses here if you'd like to drill down on a specific language. Qualaroo offers this and more features and benefits. Sign up free today and start gathering real-time, actionable user feedback. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.